Hey guys, Joe here again, coming to you from AJ Hobbies or Hobby Pros Depot or whatever he wants to call himself today. Today, we are unboxing the Skywing NG, the latest generation with all the fancy stuff. Anyways, I believe Arden has a couple of things to give away here for a bunch of people that actually purchase the Skywing stuff. You too can wear a fancy schmancy Skywing shirt, courtesy of Skywing Jinwei and Hobby Pros Depot. Okay, this one here is 3XL, but let's be honest, 3XL from where this came from is actually like small or medium. So if you're a small medium person and want a nice shirt, come and buy a Skywing. Like, take a look at all this stuff. It's a bit of a mess because you guys haven't purchased it yet. It's waiting for you right here. We also have a little hat that we're going to give away a little bit later to the people that purchase Skywing. Let's open up the cowling. Let's see what this looks like. You know, the NG is the latest extra made by Walter Extra. And let's see. Uh-oh. Yep. True to Skywing form, this is a box in a box in a box. So part of the unboxing is figuring out how to get the box out of the box, which is in the box. Yeah, way, man. Yeah, good. That's it. We just lost our PG rating. All right, gonna slice this open.
Thanks, Bill, for your comments.
Oh, what did Bill say?
Joe was making sure we were 69. I said, yeah, we are. Don't worry.
So you can actually see it?
Yeah.
We actually have people in our
We don't need to post editing.
Yeah, this is live, man. There's no post editing here. Okay. Ooh. Hey, look what we got here. Silver stuff. No. Hang on. Let's take this out. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, baby. And then we can throw this box on the side there. And wow, maybe I threw the box on the side a little too quick because there's a whole lot of junk in here. Usually they hide a bunch of things in here.
There you go.
There it is. There's
spinner,
a couple of things. Spinner and wheel cuffs. And more. Oh, look at that. They did do something really interesting and different here. You know, I hope the camera does this justice because the colors are outstanding. The paint job, freaking amazing.
It's almost like a orangey yellow in a way.
Yeah, and look, they put in.
It's already pre-baffled, guys.
Yeah,
right from the
baffles
factory.
for the engine. That is awesome. I usually make it out of foam myself, but now it's in there. And what is this? Here are wheel cuffs. Yeah, man. These landing gear cuffs, these fit around the landing gear to finish the mating between the fuselage and the gear. Beautiful stuff.
It makes it fly 1 kilometer per hour faster, right? Aerodynamics, right?
Oh yeah. Whatever Paulo says, it must be true. It's like, you know, the old saying, if it's on the internets, it must be true.
Okay, fine. It's less turbulence. How's that?
Oh, okay. We'll do that. Yes, that's right. It's less turbulence and lets you fly so much better.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, you don't need a gyro if you got that.
Exactly.
And, comes with the spinner.
Very
Wow,
nice.
beautiful. So we'll put this aside for now, and we will start with the wings.
Now, what is this?
This is the wing. The wings are housed in this box. Let's see how it's packed. I'm betting it's a box in a box in a box once again. Oh yeah, it's a box in a box.
Yeah.
So you know what?
There you go.
All right. Now, this generation Skywing actually has the latest quick attach and detach stuff located in the fuselage. Should be pretty interesting. Can't wait to show you that, actually. And the nice thing is, with Skywing, what they've done is actually rock the industry a little bit. Now, everyone's on the bandwagon to make, you know, quick assembly. Ooh,
Fancy.
what do we have here? We have tape, more tape, and foamy stuff, and yeah. All right. What are these? We'll figure that out, but wow.
Steel trucks.
No, they're landing tail wheel fairing. That's what this is. This goes on the fuselage and it helps hide the tail wheel.
Oh.
Interesting. Cool. We'll take a look at that after. Take a look at this. Wow. You know, if airplanes can be sexy, this is it.
You want us to leave you alone?
Yeah, could you? Could you?
Yeah, everyone. Joe's having an intimate moment here, so.
Oh. Yeah, that's right. I'm having an intimate moment on camera. What is it we were talking about earlier? We should open up only. What's that called? What's that site?
OnlyFans.
What's that?
OnlyFans.
Yeah, OnlyFans. That's it. Yeah. Well, let's take a look at this.
I think Bill will be our #1 fan on that.
That's Bill Gordon.
Yeah, Bill Gordon, you got it.
Wow, look at this.
Nice.
Beautiful. This, of course, is Aura cover. It's not a printed covering. So just in case you do something silly, you can buy, you know,
The right colors.
the colors right on that wall over there to match all these. And all Skywing planes come with sealed hinges. And if you look through here, all the ribs are carbon fiber laminate. And
Very
what
nice.
yeah. And I can see the spars, the rear spars are 1/4" carbon fiber, front spars, hard to see, but looks like 1/2" carbon fiber all the way through. That's what makes these things nice and strong.
And light.
And light, yes. So, carbon fiber stuff over there. Great.
Cool.
I'm not going to open the other wing. It looks exactly the same. It's got, here's a telltale sign thingy here. It's got these little things. Looks like screws, which they are. But these are intended to go into the quick attach and quick detach, which we're going to show you in the fuselage in just a minute. Now, speaking of the fuselage, let me just put this in the back over there. And then we'll put the big box up on the table.
Wing bags are no longer included.
That's right.
Since 2020 January.
Yes.
So wing bags will have to be on your own accord.
All right. So
Thanks for asking, Rick.
this will be interesting again because it's a box in a box.
And we have our VIP helper just coming into the picture now.
Yeah, our VIP helper. Right on. So this one you can actually edit out. I'm just gonna open the box, but you can. All right. La la la.
We were instructed at one point that wing bags were no longer included. So,
Wow, we're happy that there's still wing bags in there.
yep. There's your wing bags, Rick. Yep.
Yeah. All right. So I can take that. Wow, landing gear here. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, look at that. Blue. Usually they just sell you, they send you a raw carbon fiber landing gear. This one's actually painted. Body color. Take a look at that.
Very nice. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Very nice.
Oh, look! Stab bags.
And stab bags.
Yeah, man. We are happy. All right. So, let's start up here. Start with the first. What is this? This is vertical stab, nice and big. Should have nice rudder authority. Put this aside.
This is a pull system, right?
No, push pull.
Direct push-pull?
Direct push pull. Yeah. All right. It's really packed well. If you can see in here, these are all floating in foam. You know, there's foam that holds all the key components. Quite amazing. That we'll take and put here. We'll take the other one out. I want to get to the fuselage and show you guys what that's like without keeping you here for 14 hours. Another stab. All right. Now, here's one of their new innovative stuff. I'm going to take out the wheel pants right now. Wheel pants. I'm just going to take one of them out to show you. So you know how, wow, these are vacuum sealed, sort of. I got a knife. Why don't I use a knife, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, a smart person told me that. I think he's holding the camera.
Yeah, I was going to say, the videographer did.
Look at this. So now, these bolts might mount on the landing gear like they normally would. The axle fits through here. You'll see there's a doubler inside where there's a bolt that goes from the axle inside to here. So now the wheel pant is held on not just by these two, but they're triangulated with this. So now you're not going to get cracking of the wheel pant because it's only supported by this.
I believe that was your latest patent that it is published, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it a patent?
Yeah, it was patented.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool. So that's what's nice about Skywing though. They keep on adding new features. They don't charge anymore for it. But like mentioned earlier, what's happening is they're forcing the other model manufacturers to catch up. You don't have to whisper, they can hear you. We're all gonna get mapo tofu after this. Just kidding. That's a spicy tofu dish, which is awesome. All right, so we'll take this off. This is the accessory case. Put on the side for now. And if I did this right, this thing should come out. Woo, yeah, baby. Here it comes. Oh, there's tape in there. Okay, let me just put this here for now. And we will get rid of the box. Matter of fact, put the box down here.
Big box.
Yeah, the coffin. All right, now look inside. This is where all the innovation happens with Skywing.
So Joel, why don't you tell us what engine you're putting in here?
So last year, I bought myself a DLE 130 from Arden, and it's been sitting at home patiently waiting. So in here, it's going to be a DLE 130 with JMD canisters. JMD makes probably the best, most cost-effective canisters in the world. It's Czechoslovakian. The owner of JMD, his name is Milan Breka, and he makes 3 or 4 chamber canisters, 0 power loss, with, you know, keeping throttle response like totally amazing. So that's what's going in here. Servos are using Bluebird H52s. So they're, again, as I mentioned earlier, they're like 890, I believe, pound-inch of torque. A lot. You just saw the Italian stallion, you know, take a walk there. Now, Skywing, with their mounting system, uses these magnets, and all you need to do is pull these out, tap it backwards, and it slides up. This is a completely 100% tool-less assembly. Now there's jokes about what I'm going to show you next. Remember I showed you the wing, they had little screws on it? Well, basically, the wing tube goes in here, you slide your wings in, you flick these things up, those little screw things fit right in here, actually right in here, and then the canopy, once you put it back on, holds the wings in place. And it's done exactly the same way on both sides. Now, back in the olden days, which is still today, to put on wings, we used to have to slide the wing in, screw something in. 15 minutes later, you know, you have your plane put together. These planes take like 3 minutes to assemble at the field. It's amazing. Similarly, for the stab, you've got these. Slide up, it's locked. Slide down, it's unlocked. Use this to just keep the lock from moving, and that's it. So this is the new Skywing NG. Gonna have a DLE 130 in it, and if you take a look inside, all the servo wires are already put in.
Along with a plastic tube to bring them all up to the front, right to the receiver for you.
Yep, right here.
Yeah.
Amazing stuff. The Skywing has a lot of little details. So, like if you look on the side, inside here, you'll see the little hole with 4 screw holes already drilled in. All you have to do is cut that out, put the already supplied
Fuel dot.
fuel dot in there, and if you notice here too,
Grommets. I was just gonna say that. Look at
there's
that.
grommets.
Grommets here. Grommets for the ignition module.
That's right. Grommets everywhere.
All pre-done for you. Grommets for the receiver wires coming up there.
Now,
And there's your tube and everything coming through.
how can you tell it's a male plane?
I don't know.
Well, take a look at these things. What do you see here? What shape is that? Right? Like you see, there's a little joke with these things.
Yes, we see it. Good footnote. Good footnote.
Yeah.
That's now mature.
Yeah, it's
No longer PG-13.
yeah, that's right. We're PG-13 for sure.
Hey, Michael. Hey, Tom.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us.
All right. So be prepared to see this one at the field next year. It's winter here in Canada. We'll be assembling this. Usually takes about 4 nights to put together, if you don't work too hard.
About 20 to 24 hours, right? Give or
Yeah,
take?
3 to 4 hours a night.
Yeah, perfect.
All righty.
Thanks, all.
Thanks all. Thanks for joining us.
Drive safely. Be safe.
We'll see you. Come to AJ Hobbies and Hobby Pros Depot.
Lots of inventory, guys. So above the planes, it's got helicopters, got RC cars, tons of bodies, 1/8 scale, 1/20.